We are so grateful and so thankful on this sunny morning to be here with you today to help our groundbreaking for our new building for Scotts Branch Elementary School. So welcome! All of this support is immeasurably important and says volumes about the commitment to providing the Scotts Branch school community with the very best educational opportunities possible.
Of course, the work going on today isn't the result of just one board or one elected official. It takes a strong, unified, committed group of civic and educational leaders to see the need, envision the solutions, and work for progress to occur.
We have all wanted Scotts Branch students to have the most modern, welcoming, safe, and stimulating learning environment to call their school home. And now today, we celebrate the start of that new home and all of the hard work and dreams that came together for this moment.
A brand new school, a new start, built with hands and hopeful hearts. Walls so strong and windows wide, we welcome every step inside.
It feels amazing, and it feels like we actually got help from people who actually want to help us build a new school and enhance our learning.
To our students, I'll close by saying this building, this school is being built for you. It's being built for you, and it's being built because of you.
To the new students that's coming, I would say we had great memories at this school, but sometimes they just have to end, and that school is going to be great, and I won't be here, but you will. So, yeah, be glad about that.
3, 2, and 1.
Yay!